Have you ever found yourself wondering if a younger woman is genuinely interested in you? It can be a puzzling and delicate situation to decipher. Today, we're zeroing in on the telltale signs that a younger woman is attracted to an older man. These signals might be subtle, but they're incredibly telling. From the way she engages in conversation to the little actions that speak volumes, I'll guide you through recognizing these signs. Are you ready to understand what's going on beneath the surface? Let's delve in and uncover these clues together. 1. She seeks your advice. One of the key signs that a younger woman is interested in an older man is when she regularly seeks his advice. This behavior demonstrates her trust in you and her respect for the wisdom you've accumulated over the years. It's an indication that she values your perspective, not just on trivial matters, but on significant life decisions. Her coming to you for guidance is a subtle way of showing that your experiences and opinions matter deeply to her. 2. Prolonged eye contact. In interactions, prolonged eye contact can be particularly telling. When a younger woman maintains eye contact with you for longer periods, it often signifies a deeper level of interest. This kind of intense eye contact suggests that she's not only engaged in the conversation, but is also emotionally and perhaps romantically interested. It's a nonverbal cue that can be more telling than words, indicating a connection that goes beyond casual acquaintance. 3. Mature conversations. Another indicator is the nature of your conversations. If a younger woman consistently engages you in serious or intellectual discussions, it's a sign that she appreciates and is attracted to your maturity. This preference for deeper conversations over more superficial chit-chat suggests she's seeking a connection that's intellectually and emotionally stimulating, something she believes you, as an older man, can provide. 4. Admiration for your experience. Pay attention to how she reacts to your life experiences and the wisdom you share. If she often expresses admiration or is keenly interested in your stories and insights, it's a strong sign of her interest in you. This isn't just polite interest. It's about her finding your journey and the knowledge you've gained over the years genuinely fascinating and appealing, which can be a significant factor in her attraction to you as an older man. 5. She laughs at your jokes. One telling sign that a younger woman is interested in an older man is when she genuinely enjoys his sense of humor. If she laughs at your jokes, especially those that may not typically resonate with her age group, it indicates a deeper level of connection and understanding. Humor can be a unique bond, and her amusement at your wit and comedic perspective suggests an appreciation for your personality that transcends age differences. 6. Subtle flirting. Pay attention to the nuances in her behavior. Subtle flirting, such as playful teasing or making suggestive comments, can be significant indicators of interest. These actions, particularly when they seem more sophisticated or nuanced than what might be common in her usual interactions, can suggest that she's deliberately trying to connect with you on a more mature level, aligning herself with your age and experience. 7. She's highlighting common interests. Another sign is when a younger woman takes an active interest in hobbies, topics, or cultural references that are more typically associated with your age group. If she points out these common interests or invests time in learning about them, it's a strong indication that she's making an effort to bridge the age gap and find shared ground, suggesting a genuine interest in your world and experiences. 8. She initiates contact. Consider how often she initiates contact with you. If she frequently starts conversations, calls you, or suggests meeting up, it's a clear signal of her interest. This initiative shows she's eager to spend time with you and values the connection you share. It demonstrates that she's comfortable taking the lead in developing your relationship, a sign that she's serious about exploring the potential between you despite any age differences. 9. She compliments your style. A younger woman's compliments on your appearance or style can be a significant indicator of attraction. When she notices and appreciates the way you dress or your overall aesthetic, it's often more than just a casual remark. This kind of compliment suggests that she finds you physically attractive and appreciates the maturity and elegance that come with your sense of style, distinguishing you from her age group. 10. She's curious about your past. If she shows a genuine interest in your past, particularly your past relationships or life experiences, it's a strong sign she's interested in you. Her curiosity about your history isn't just small talk. It indicates a desire to understand you deeply, including the journey that has shaped you into the man you are today. This kind of interest is often a clear indication of her attraction and respect for the depth and breadth of your experiences. 11. She notices small changes. Attention to detail can reveal a lot about someone's interest. If she comments on small changes in your appearance, like a new haircut or a different style of clothing, or notices subtle changes in your routine, it indicates that she's paying close attention to you. This level of observation often means she's invested emotionally, and is keenly interested in even the minor aspects of your life. 12. She engages in your world. When a younger woman shows an active interest in your career, hobbies, and preferences, it could be a sign that she's serious about understanding and becoming a part of your world. This engagement goes beyond mere politeness. It's about her wanting to connect with the aspects of your life that matter to you. Her willingness to explore and participate in your interests suggests a deeper level of interest and a desire to forge a meaningful connection that bridges any age gap. 13. She mirrors your body language. Observe if she subconsciously mimics your body language during interactions. This mirroring is a psychological sign of comfort and interest. It often happens naturally when a person feels connected to another. If a younger woman aligns her posture, gestures, or movements with yours, it can indicate a subconscious desire to sync with you, reflecting a deeper attraction and comfort level with your presence. 14. She introduces you to friends. When a younger woman takes the step to introduce you to her friends, it's a significant gesture. It could mean that she sees you as an important figure in her life and is comfortable enough to bridge the gap between her social circle and you. This introduction can signify her pride in being associated with you and her desire to integrate you more fully into her life, indicating a level of seriousness about her feelings toward you. 15. She prefers your company in groups. In social or group settings, if she consistently gravitates towards you, preferring your company over others, it's a strong indicator of her interest. This preference shows that she values your conversation and presence more than that of her peers. It's a subtle yet telling sign that she enjoys and seeks out your company, possibly viewing you as more than just a friend or acquaintance. 16. She respects your opinions. Pay attention to how she reacts to your viewpoints and ideas. If a younger woman consistently shows respect for your opinions and often seeks your perspective on various matters, it indicates a level of admiration and trust. This respect for your thoughts and experiences suggests that she values your wisdom and insight, seeing you as someone whose opinions are not just relevant but also influential to her thinking. This level of regard is often a clear sign of deeper interest and attraction. 17. She shares personal stories. When a younger woman shares her personal stories, especially those related to her life and family, with you, it's a significant indication of trust and a sense of closeness. These narratives are often reserved for individuals deemed important and trustworthy. Her willingness to open up about her life suggests that she sees you as a confidant and possibly more than just a friend. This level of intimacy in sharing personal details is a strong sign of her comfort and interest in you. 18. She shows signs of jealousy. Observe her reactions when you interact with other women. Subtle signs of jealousy, such as a change in mood or subtle inquiries about your interactions, can be quite telling. While jealousy should be approached with care, these signs can indicate that she has a more than platonic interest in you and may be concerned about competition for your attention. 19. She appreciates your stability. If she frequently comments positively on the stability and security you represent, it's a good sign of her attraction to you. Younger women often find the stability and experience of older men appealing. Her appreciation of these qualities suggests that she values the contrast between your life stage and hers and sees you as a grounding, reassuring presence in her life. 20. She adapts to your lifestyle. Notice if she makes an effort to adapt to your lifestyle and preferences. When a younger woman tries to align herself more closely with your way of living, it shows a desire to be more compatible with you. This adaptation can range from adjusting to your schedule to showing interest in your hobbies or adopting your taste in music or culture. It's a clear indication that she's invested in the relationship and is trying to build a deeper connection based on shared experiences and interests. Recognizing these signs is just the beginning. Discover more with the masculine qualities women secretly adore or explore how to build sexual tension with her. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for joining us.